Hi everyone, today we will talk about static methods. Here if we talk about these all methods we already used in our classes, these all methods are normal methods. But today we will talk about the special method which is known as static method. These static methods work at class level. We don't need of any object in these methods. Here let's say I want to print at the pi. Then here def at the pi, then print at the pi. Here we will not use any object attribute like name, age, etc. So we will not deal these methods on object level. So we will deal this on class level. We use self for object attribute, but here we don't have any object attribute, so we will not use self. And if I try to print it, then this is our object student. So print student dot at the pi. If we print it, then this will give an error. But why? Because we should have self in at the pi. But in this function there is no any sense of self. So we will change this method into static method, and the static method work at class level and don't use the parameter self. So to remove error we will use static method at here. So here we will use at the rate static method. Now if we run it, then here we have at the pi. And this static method is a decorator which convert the normal function into special function. So that's all for today.